check it out. Welcome back to that same old place that you laughed about. Well, the names have all changed since you hung around, but those dreams have remained and they've turned around. Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Back here where we need ya. Back here where we need ya. Yeah, the tease him a lot, 'cause we got him on the spot. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back.
Welcome back. All right, give it a stretch. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. Oh, time is flying by so quickly. Like I haven't even eaten breakfast yet, even though I meant to. But I fixed some things on the because again, my co-host for the radio show, he was testing the application I just launched yesterday, and like I mentioned, he was able to get it working. It was because his mobile Safari browser was in private, so it wasn't allowing the website to be able to do what it needs to do to be able to like go to like the Stripe page so you could pay for stuff. And it was like rerouting things. It was weird. It was like it kept happening in random places, but it was because it was in private mode, so he's able to get it. I saw the order in the dashboard, and so nice. But he also showed me a screenshot where the QR code, because again, it's different sizes, right? Different mobile sizes, screen sizes. And so the way I had it, the QR code was cut off. And so I fixed that. So now it's responsive. So it'll be, you'll always see it regardless of the size of the screen. So that's dope. And I kind of want to add like a nice little more UI touch. So something. And I did it in a previous project. So I'm just going to like refactor the code of this new one to match that old one. And I think it'll be a little bit better, a little cleaner. You know what I'm saying? So I'm looking at it right now. So should be good. All right. Now, speaking of the radio show, I want to take a look at an artist who we recently played on the radio show yesterday. And I saw they had a website. And so I figured let's take a look at it, listen to some music, watch some videos. Maybe you'll become a fan. And yeah, so let's take a look at their website. I'm adding a link to their website. So it'll be next to the recording of this video on untilit.works so you can check it out for yourself. Now, the artist whose website we'll take a look at goes by the name of Stacy Epps, and their website is stacyepps.com. 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 All right, cool. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the website. Let me refresh it. I don't remember if there's any animations or anything like that. So, nope. Okay, cool. And loads pretty quickly too. So I like that. Very nice. And then we got the word mark here. So that's like the home. And we got the home, who I am, offerings, sounds, advocacy, connect, and some social media links. All right, dope. Now, let me see something here. Okay, so this advocacy, Stacey Epps is also a lawyer. And so the advocacy goes to her website for her law firm. And so we might take a look at, we'll see. But then sounds goes to the Bandcamp page, which is where I picked up the album. Maybe we'll look at that as well. Offerings goes to store.stacyepps.com. So I don't know if that's to another site, but I kind of wanted to look at the website itself. And then who I am is like a bio page. All right, cool. All right, we'll take a look at that. All right, but let's take a look at the front page. Now, all right. So this is header here. We scroll down. All right, the menu goes away. That's pretty cool. So you can see the full thing. And when you scroll up, it comes back up. All right, cool. All right. That's cool. I wonder, might not need this black line here because it kind of throws it off. Because especially like it goes like right through her eyes. You know what I'm saying? So if this black line was in here, I'm going to see if I can, hold on, I'm going to play around with something real quick. Hold on. Oh, what is this? Ooh, what is this site made with? Let me see. I'm being nosy real quick. I'm looking at some stuff here. Oh, there's a lot of class names on here. Is this like a Squarespace site maybe? There's a lot. Wow, there's a lot of class names on here. Let me see. I'm thinking it could be Squarespace. I'm looking through the code real quick. SQS. Yes, Squarespace, I think. Okay, that's cool. Squarespace is doing a lot of cool stuff. Okay. All right. Okay, yeah, but let me see if I can get rid of this black line because this black border around here. What is that? Ooh, this is a lot of stuff here. Oh, wow. Mobile drop down icon options. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. They're okay. Okay. This is interesting code. You probably can't see it now. You can't see it, but they're doing. Oh, wow. They're passing all this through like the data current styles. Oh, interesting. So, okay, here you go. Here's like a pixel unit value. Okay, menu overlay animation. Okay, that's the fade thing. I think that's how far you go. It goes away. Yeah, so like 1 pixel, it'll do that. I'm trying to see if there's a styling around it though. It's kind of hard to see because it's a lot of stuff happening here. Let me see. Why can I not see the styles here? See styles. Header drop down border. Okay, border color. Let me see if I get rid of that. Nope. Oh no, it went to something else. Okay, I'm just gonna put in border color and see what I can get working here. I know it's supposed to be going through the website, but I'm just kind of interested in see what's happening here. Border. Oh, wrong keyboard. Border color. If I could spell. Let's go with none. That. Oh, I cannot type at all. Border color. No, that didn't work. Oh wait, no, wait. Oh, maybe none is not a thing. Let's see if I can just if that's even tagging the right thing. No, it's not even tagging the right thing. Huh. Header border color. Yeah, I'm on the right thing. Wow, they have a lot of stuff happening here. Okay, let me see if I can change this color. What does this do? Nope, didn't even do that. Nope, here we go. Okay, yeah, so you turned red. Let me try and make it transparent. Yeah, there you go. So yes, and I think that would be pretty cool. So it's this. So I don't know if the person who I don't know if Stacey Epps made the website, but there is a variable that is called. If I can just get rid of this pop up. All right, so it's called the variable. The CSS variable is header border color. So dash dash header border color, and you can take like the HSL because it's using HSL values, which is pretty advanced. That's pretty dope. So you can get colors that you want, but you can make it to where it's like transparent, and so it'll still work the same. Like you'll still see the black, right? But it's just the border itself will be transparent. And there's like a shadow. I don't know if you like that shadow either. So you could get rid of the shadow as well by doing the same thing. Because that's header drop shadow color. And just make that transparent by making, like 0% or what have you on there. And yeah, so then that goes away. And then you still get it. Like when you scroll and you scroll back up a little bit, you still get it. So yeah, so I don't, maybe it was a design choice. I'm not sure, but it kind of looked to me weird having that black line going through her eyes. So yeah, it's just those two things: header drop shadow color, and what was it again? Oh, header border color. So just change those, make those transparent, and then you should be good. All right, dope. Yeah, because I mean, I don't know. I kind of like that better, right? Am I tweaking? To me, that's a little bit better. I don't know. All right, cool. So let's go ahead. All right, so my bad. It's about the website here. All right, so thank you for being here. Your presence is honored and appreciated. I wish you the best in all things. May God continue to bless you and all that you are. Oh, that's nice. All right, cool. I like the different, yeah, they're pretty much almost, they fill up the whole thing. I like that. Very nice. And so Stacey Epps, let the love inside you fill it all around you. Nothing ever stop you. Keep going. You have the light inside you. Let it shine through. Oh, all sorts of positive things. Nice. Or that's like a lyric maybe. And then we got the bio here, and that goes to the same thing that goes to the who I am. All right, cool. And I think this is the new album that we played on the show yesterday. And so you can stream it here. It goes to like one of those, I think, URL streaming short site link things. So I'm not going to look at that. It'd be cool because she linked to the Bandcamp. So it'd be cool if the Bandcamp player was here, maybe, and you can listen to the album like right here. That'd be dope. All right, then Flowheart, a movement of love, healing, and purpose. Flowheart is more than an album. Okay, so it is an album. It is a movement, a vibration, and a declaration of love's power to heal. This music is my journey, my passage out of fear and into the flow of my true purpose. Oh, okay, that's nice. All right, dope. I'm pausing because I noticed random things. Because I noticed that there's like end quotes here, but I don't see where the quote starts. So, all right. This is my offering to the world, released through my nonprofit Love Like Water. That's cool. With every dollar earned dedicated to the research and development of land where we can build a loving community. Okay. Funny enough, I just bought some land in Georgia. One that nurtures, uplifts, and sustains. Flowheart is a nonprofit album. Oh, I've never heard of that. That's cool. Created with the purest intention to use art as a force of transformation to cultivate a space where love flows freely and to create a foundation for those seeking refuge in peace, unity, and connection. Okay, interesting. I wonder if there's more information about this land thing. Because, like I mentioned, I bought a little piece of land in Georgia, and trying to find land in Georgia, especially in the area I was looking for, was difficult. Like I had to make a few trips to Georgia because on the internet it looks fine, but when you get there, the thing is like on the side of a cliff. You know what I'm saying? Like it's like almost a 90-degree slope, and I'm like, how who's living on that? Billy goats? You know what I'm saying? So but luckily I was able to find something, and so I just need to be able to afford a house now. You know what I'm saying? I got the land part. Need to be able to afford a house. All right. But at least I can like pitch a tent there if things get really bad. All right. Through the sacred path of birth, mothering, and healing, I have come to understand that love is always here, waiting for us to return. This album is my return. It is me standing in my highest and best, ready to serve and receive all of life's beauty. All right. All right. Our own light is the answer. When we have our hearts open, when we open our hearts and allow ourselves to truly flow, we become vessels of love, change, and infinite possibility. Flowheart is my gift, my truth, and my invitation for us to all move in love. Oh, that's nice. All right, cool. And we have like a song here. So Stacey Epps, Kareem Riggins. We have this video. All right, let's check it out. Away. Shout out to Kareem Riggins. We've been playing him on the radio show as well. All right, here we go. We just played Kareem Riggins, I think. I think he has with an artist by the name of Liv, I think it was Kareem Riggins and Liv. The group was called Gina, if I remember correctly. And we just recently played them on the radio show as well. So that's cool. In good company here. All right, so this is Away. Stacey Epps, Kareem Riggins. I think it should be clean. We'll see. Here we go.
Take me, oh, save me, take me, oh, where I belong, I'll stay covered, stars shining, mother, earth calls us, gravity pulls away, we can fly lost in the haze away, fly away from waves in the space away to see the light of day.
Dreams talk, walk the walk. Always see the lessons that we travel far. Been a long way, learning it the hard way. Bumping my head.
All right, very nice. So now I wonder where that is. Is that like Hawaii or Jamaica? Or, I don't think it is. Could be Jamaica. I wonder where that is. I wonder if this is where I'm trying to buy the land. Should I see here? I'm trying to look at this house. Yeah, it could be anywhere. I feel like I'm playing those geo guessing things where people watch maps and stuff. All right, no, I liked it. Very nice. The sound kind of reminds me. We have a group here in Orlando called Beautiful Chorus. And it's like a group of women and they harmonize and sing and stuff. And it kind of reminds me of this. So, all right, dope. All right, so let's check this out. Oh, Mad Lib. All right. And then I guess the person's called Believe. So here's Stacey Epps, Mad Lib, Believe. It's called Feels Like. I think did we play this on a radio show? I don't know. But let's check this out.
Yesterdays are gone, lost all light for a while. I can't seem to find my way, but let it go and connect with it. And know that God is my everything. I can use myself.
All right, very nice. That sounds familiar. I'm pretty sure we played this on the radio show before. You know what I'm saying? That sounds familiar. All right, very nice. Cool. Let's check. Oh, I like this. I Am Light. All right. I like that. I Am Love. Okay. And I think these are actual. Are these images? Again, I'm going to be nosy real quick. Let me look at the code real quick. Oh, no. Okay. There are. Oh, this is a very large element. Okay. But yeah, okay, it's a marquee. And it looks like they're made of SVGs, it looks like. Yeah. So they aren't like text or anything. It look like they're SVGs. Wow. That's cool. And then wait, what is this? What? Hold on. No, it's fonts. Hold on. Again, I'm just going to do something real quick. Okay. I Am Love, exclamation point. Oh, wait. Oh, wrong keyboard. Oh, exclamation points. If I do that, what happens? Let's see. I am love. Will it say I am love, exclamation point? Oh, this is moving pretty slowly. No, it doesn't say it. Huh. Oh, it's visually hidden. Oh, okay. That's cool. That means that it's that's pretty dope. Okay. So if you can't, like, if you're visually impaired and you want to see, it would say it. That's dope. I like that. That's very nice. Okay, so yeah, so they are like okay, that makes sense because if it's like SVGs, like a screen reader wouldn't be able to see that. You know what I'm saying? And so that's pretty dope. All right. Cool. Okay, that's dope. All right, here's the song that we played on the radio show yesterday. So this is Let The. Yeah, this is what we played on the radio show yesterday. All right. Cool to see a video. All right, so here we go. Stacey Epps, Let The ... Here we go. Oh, wait. Hold on. Wait, I'm sorry. Hold on. Wait a minute. That looks like the homie Dylan. Is that Dylan? I think that's Dylan. I knew him as Intellect back in the day. You know what I'm saying? But that looks like he goes by Dylan now, his real name. But yeah, shouts to that. He has a very distinctive look. You know what I'm saying? And so I'm pretty sure that's him in the video later on. But let me rewind this back. Sorry. I just saw him. I was like, oh, hey, that's the. So I think she's from Atlanta. So that makes sense. So with Dylan being there, that confirms that at least there, unless he tours. So maybe, I don't know. But yeah, I think Atlanta. All right, here we go. Dope.
Dreams tight, watch your mind, third eye I find. flying through the light. See it in my mind. I can wait for you to come from love, pure love. Let the love inside you, feel it all around you. Nothing ever stop you. Keep going. You have the light inside you. Let it shine through. My heart opens and I'm free. I can see.
All right, very nice. And yeah, that is Dylan. All right, very nice. Cool to see. All right. Oh, there's a remix to this song featuring Talib Kweli. Okay, all right. That's a big embed. Okay, all right. But yeah, okay, let's take a listen to this. All right, so Stacey Epps, Let the remix featuring Talib Kweli. All right, maybe we'll play this on the radio show if it's clean. We'll see. Here we go.
I want to. I want to, yeah. I want to. Dreams tight, watch your mind. Third eye, I find my center reads around me. I can feel, I can hear. Listening on rose petals, flying through the light. See it in my mind. I can wait for you to come from love, pure love. Let the love inside you, feel it all around you. Nothing ever stop you. Keep going. You have the light inside.
That's pretty dope. I like the animation. I like there's like a 3D kind of thing to it too. It's like I like it. Very nice. Super dope. All right. Be a lamp to yourself. Be your own confidence. Hold the truth within yourself as the only truth, the Buddha. Okay. All right. You can sign up for some updates and things. Look like an email list. And again, we've got the social media stuff here. And if I scroll up a little bit, it should pop up. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, there it is. Okay, I get maybe you have to scroll up at certain. Or there's because I'm scrolling up a little bit, right? But I think if I scroll up a lot, then it shows up. Interesting. I wonder what's the mechanics behind that. But all right, so very nice. Let's check out who I am. Again, all the other stuff goes to like other websites, but let's check out a bio. I'm always a big fan of seeing bios. Yeah, see, again, it's kind of weird, like with the thing here. So if you were to change those two variables, like that should get rid of that. I like how it changed the yellow. I like that. It's cool. Which one was it again? Yeah, this thing up here. If you change, tweak. Oh, that's funny. All right. These variable names are awesome. This one here, if we were to get rid of the border color, like I mentioned, make that transparent, right? And then what's really showing now is that drop shadow joint. That, get rid of that one, make that. Yeah, see? A little bit cleaner. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Cool. Dope. All right. So yeah, so here we go. Who I am, Stacey. Wow, that is tiny font. Okay. For years, multi-hyphenate artist Stacey Epps was told she had to choose. That one passion would have to take a backseat to the other. But music has always been inseparable from her journey as an artist, attorney. So yes, she is an attorney, educator, and healer. Now with the release of Let the and Feels Like, okay, the stuff we listened to, the first two singles from her upcoming album Flowheart, dropping August 22nd, 2025, again, picked up a Bandcamp. Stacy is fully stepping back into her artistry, bringing her signature blend of hip hop, soul, and spiritual elevation to the forefront. Born into a military family, she lived in over 14 places before claiming Hampton, Virginia as home. Okay. The constant movement instilled in her a deep adaptability and a worldly perspective, both of which have shaped her artistry. Now based in Atlanta, Georgia. All right, so yeah, there you go. Shouts to the homie Dylan and the whole Full Plate fam. She brings that expansive vision into her work, creating music that transcends boundaries and speaks to universal themes of love, unity, and transformation. All right, dope. Stacey Epps first captivated global audiences with her ethereal vocals on Mad Villainy. Okay, the joint with Doom. Okay, yeah, the seminal MF Doom and Mad Lib collaboration. Oh, dope. Where she appeared on the track I. Maybe that's why it sounds familiar. That moment introduced her to an international fan base that has supported her through 3 independent releases: The Awakening, Rough Draft. Jay Dilla had an album called Rough Draft, and Aura. As well as performances across the US, Europe, South Africa, and Japan. Japan is dope. I saw a show in Japan. There's like local artists. And it was kind of amazing to see. There was like hip hop there. There was like, I think like a ska kind of group. You know what I'm saying? Saw a reggae artist that's Japanese. That was kind of amazing. And it was like a live band. I don't remember what kind of music they played, but it was a good time. So shouts to Japan. Her unique vocal style, blending celestial tones with grounded, soul-infused delivery, led to collaborations with some of the most respected names in music, including Diamond D, shouts to Diamond D, Oh No, shouts to Oh No, Talib Kweli, shouts to Talib Kweli, shouts to Rhapsody. We've had Rhapsody on the radio show. Big fan of Georgia Ann Muldrow and General Joral. We play them. He had this joint, I think it was with Doom, also a project. Oh, and then I think it was with Doom, and he also had one with Cujo Goody that we played on the radio show a lot too. So shout out to General Joral. Her ability to weave conscious lyricism and sonic elevation into her work made her a sought-after voice in underground hip-hop and beyond. All right, that's dope. All right, cool. You can check this out. All right. Oh, but as she pursued a legal career to protect artists' rights, representing legends like, she represented Doom, Talib Kweli, and Blessed. I'm not sure what Blessed is. Her own music took a backseat. Okay. And then teaching at the Art Institute of Atlanta. Oh, that's cool. All right, a bunch of stuff. All right. Dope. All right, cool. All right. Yeah, no, dope website. Yeah. And I think by getting rid of that, like that shadow, like that thing there, I think it kind of like makes it all like uniform. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't really call it to attention because, I mean, it has a black background already. So, yeah, I think without removing that in the border, I think pretty good. All right. Then, yeah, everything else, again, goes to like other websites. So we're not going to take, you can check it out. Again, I posted a link to this. So it'll be next to the recording on the video on untilit.works. But yeah, see what I'm saying? Like with the black line right there, it makes it just kind of throws it off. It draws attention to it. You know what I'm saying? Maybe that's what they want. I don't know. But okay. But yeah, super dope. I like it. Shout out to Stacey Epps. Looking forward to playing more joints. And I hope she gets that land wherever she's trying to get it at. You know what I'm saying? And so, yeah. Oh, maybe some more information. Photos would be nice. More photos. Maybe like live performances. You know what I'm saying? From live shows. And then maybe some more information about the land. Maybe it's under advocacy. I'm not sure. But yeah, that'd be cool to see more, get more information about that. What we can try and do there. All right. Cool. I'm gonna get y'all back to work so I can get back to work because again, this day is flying by so quickly, and I want to get this application. I want to add this one more UI tweak. You know what I'm saying? Because right now it's like 2 separate things. I think I can make it one. I want to try to be as clean as possible. I'm gonna talk about it when we come back. Speaking of that, if you check out subscribe, it has a list of all the upcoming ciphers you can subscribe to get notified when we go live. And yeah, so I'll be back again in like 3 hours to do this all over again. And so I'm gonna show off. I'm gonna push these changes, and I'm gonna run through the application that I have, and then I'm gonna get some other people to kind of test run it for me, and I'll have what I'm actually gonna be making from it. And so we'll do more of that when we come back. But yeah, thanks for hanging out. So again, shout out to Stacey Epps. So let me get y'all back to work so I can get back to work. So since this is the final break session of the first cipher of the day, that means the final work session of the first cipher of the day is going to be an hour long. I'm going to send you all off with some traveling music. And this right here, again, one of my favorite producers of all time, goes by the name of Nujabez. The track is featuring a dope artist by the name of Apani B. It's called Thank You. And thanks for hanging out. Again, see you, check out, subscribe, and, see you maybe later today. If not, have a great week. Be safe. Happy New Year's. And wish you much productivity. All right. Y'all be easy. And peace. Nujabez featuring Apani B. Thank you.
Let me start from the heart. I just want to stay. I think all showing love to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. I thank you all for showing love to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. But let me start from the heart. I just want to stay. I thank you all for showing love to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. I thank you all for showing love to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me.